detection method, not log Pearson type 3 outlier detection method, but all the steps that was followed in this log Pearson type 3 method is followed in this case also. The only thing is that the way we calculate, only thing means the only difference in this new method and the earlier method, the Pearson method with the log Pearson method, is the way we calculate the value of critical deviate k subscript n. Okay, so this big K, how we calculate this big K differentiate both this method. In case of log Pearson type 3 method, we use this table to find the value of critical deviate. Suppose our sample size is 80, so straight away we can calculate the value of Kn to be 2.940, and then we use this K value in this equation if we are trying to detect the high outlier, that is the maximum value, and if we are trying to detect the minimum value, low outlier, then we will put the value of Kn into this, and this y bar is the mean of the logarithmic values of the sample data. In the new method also we take the log mean of, or we calculate the mean of log of the sample data, not the mean of sample data. Please note, in the new method also we calculate the log mean of the log of the sample data, which is indicated by y bar, and this S subscript y indicates the standard deviation of the sample data size, sample data. However, in this case also log. First we find out the logarithm of the sample data. After then we find the mean and standard deviation. Then put it to the value of y bar and S subscript y, and then we put it into this equation. If I am detecting high outlier, if I am detecting low outlier, I will put in this.